Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Corrine McCamon, and for those of you who are new here, you can hit that subscribe button to join my beauty community. For those of you Canadian shoppers, this is at Shoppers Drug Mart. I paid $165 for this. It is $550 worth of product, and I'm super excited to see what's inside. This is 25 days of beauty surprises. Oh, includes a light up surprise. Oh, very cool. That is awesome. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's start with number one. Where's number one? Number one. Too Faced Lip Injection Ultimate Lip Plumper. This is awesome because, where is my other one? There it is. Oh, this is a bit different. The one I already had is the Extreme, and this one is just Lip Injection Ultimate Lip Plumper. But still, super happy to get that. All right, number two. Where's number two? Number two. Shiseido. If I can get it out. What is this? Shiseido Ultimate Power Intensity Concentrate. I don't know if is it a serum? Oh, that's a serum for sure. So that's exciting. Shiseido, I think it's called Shiseido. Okay, number three. 4-in-1 Cloud Cream, Gel to Water Hydrating Essence. So this is just a lotion. Number four, Amazing Grace Philosophy Shower Gel. One full ounce. Doesn't really have a scent. Okay, number five. Need the scissors. Oh, that's why I was opening out the wrong end. Oh, there's two items for number five. This is Biotherm Blue Peptides Uplift Cream and Biotherm Force Supreme Cream. Both creams. That's good because I'm running out of my day cream. So these will come in handy. Number six. Perfume. Oh, isn't that adorable? Look at this. Oh, it is so cute. This is Marc Jacobs Perfect. That is just adorable. I love this little bottle. This is so cute. Number seven. Oh, Bobbi Brown. I think I already have this. Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick. Golden Bronze. Oh yes, I definitely have this one already. Number eight. I got a Prep Rally Prime and Detangler by Dry Bar. I also got a lip gloss by Kylie. Number nine, Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme. I love Estee Lauder's packaging. Another cream for the face. Number 10. So this is Origins Checks and Balances Frosty Face Wash. Okay, 11 is right there. Mario Badescu Brightening Mask with vitamin C. Very excited to try this one. Number 12, Estee Lauder. I was going to order this the other day, so this is awesome because I can try it before I purchase the full size. This is Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. That's why I love these items, because you get a sample size in one and you can try them all before you purchase the full size. That was number 12. I need 13. There it is. 2 items in this one too. This is Jack Black lip treatment with hyaluronic acid and red diesel perfume. Number 14. It's another perfume. Oscar de la Renta perfume. Look at that bottle. That is just stunning. Okay, so that was 14. I need number 15. There it is. Oh, 2 items in this one too. I got the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. I've been wanting to try this. This is the mascara. And I also got the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Oh wow, definitely got quite the tip on that one. And this is another product I've been wanting to try. It's good I'm getting the sample size. 16. Oh, 2 items in this one as well. Wattier lip gloss and Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. I'm not big on the Smashbox primer, so this will go to my nieces, but I love the Wattier. Okay, number 17. Alpha Keratin Clinical Virtue Flourish. Mask for thinning hair. Oh, for hair. Number 18. 2 items in this one too. This is Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. And the Confidence in a Cream, this is It Cosmetics. Which one was that? That was 18, so I'm on 19. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover. I love it. Look at this. It's almost gone. So I got this in one of those little Clinique gift bags from Shoppers Drug Mart. And now I've got another one full. They updated the packaging. This one is prettier. Along with that, I got the Clinique. What is this? Oh, it's a lipstick. Very beautiful. So exciting. Okay, number 20. 2 items again. The Elizabeth Arden Retinol plus HPR Ceramide Rapid Skin Renewing Creams and the Darphin Inner Youth Serum. Okay, 21. I need to pry it out with scissors. There we go. Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. Okay, and number 22, Clarins Multi-Active Glow Boosting Line Smoothing Day Cream. 23, there you are. 2 items in this one too. Lancome Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate. And a lipstick. Wow. Okay, that was 23. I'm on 24. Another perfume. This is H24. Let's see this one. This one's very pretty. And number 25. This is Rem Beauty. Look at this. Oh, it's a highlighter. Oh my God. Look at that. Isn't that just stunning? This box still has quite a bit of weight. They're not all gone. I missed something in number 1. Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. Yay! Apparently I had an extreme underneath too. I better double check before I throw it out. Now I have this beautiful box for Christmas. That is very exciting. I got a lot of products for $165. I know a lot of them are sample size. Actually, the majority of them are. But that is awesome because now I get to try them, not for free, but I get to try them before I purchase the full size. So very exciting. I don't know if any of you from the States can purchase this from shoppers.ca, but it is still for sale for $165. And those of you who are regular shoppers, purchase this when there's like a 20 times the points, because that is a whole lot of points that you will be getting. So yeah, very, very excited to try these products. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed me opening this 25-day advent calendar from Shoppers Drug Mart. I will see you in the next one.